So last night I was thinking about this. This area's been a problem. And basically what it is that door gets hit by water and then gradually rots out. Now I fixed the whole thing. 1/3 of that door was gone when we purchased the property. Just basically gone. I watched a skunk walk in it one night and I decided not to go after him. Let him go in and sleep, and then hopefully he'll come back out, and that's what happened. So so when I was doing this roof up here, I thought, okay, I can fix that. I'll extend that, and I did about 16 inches. And then on top I put a roof, kind of a roof gutter, so it pushes the water over there and it lands on this rock. Well, that's not really far enough. It really should land over there, because right here it still can spatter pretty good and hit the door. Plus it doesn't catch all the water. So what I was thinking is, first of all, I need to Geico the seams up there again. So that's going to be my opportunity to make the roof gutter better, or really it's a water guide, I guess you'd call it, roof water guide. So I'm going to guide the water over further. So that'll be one thing. And then I was thinking, what else could I do? Well, why can't I put a little roof here? I mean, roofs protect. That's what I keep saying. That's what I keep feeling. And it turns out we have a good 3 feet right here. So let's say we were to come off, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe the 4th one up, and we were to come off with a roof here, and we were to extend that, let's say 4 feet, and have a good slant to it so that any water coming down there, when it hits, it tends to go out. It also will be aluminum, and we'll also have to put some backsplash, so anything splashing back onto the building is also not going to hurt the building. And then what we could do, what I envision, is this roof coming off here, and then supports about 2/3 of the way back coming down. I think they're going to have to go into the concrete. Now this is as far as I can tell, this is a poured wall. It looks like it on the inside, it looks like it on the outside. So if I was to tap, let's say I have a nice support coming off there and a nice support there, nice and even around the doorway, you know, like right here and right there, a little bit further, and I don't want to put it too close that it's going to affect the door, but you know, like 4 inches off, maybe even, could even split the difference here, but probably 4 inches. And then drill the concrete and spike into it, maybe even clean it out really good, silicone, and spike into it. I got some ideas on that too. Nice support with some design on it. Now I don't want to bring it down so that it's lower than this. I don't want to lower my entrance. So it's going to have to, maybe even I'll have to go one more high so I can get a good slope down, but yet have it, you know, I don't want to lose any height here. I want to keep it at this height. But if I was to bring that out, gosh, if I was to bring it out to here, which, let's see, 1, 2, 3, well, it'd be 4 feet. 4 feet. If I was to bring that out 4 feet, that means this area right here would be protected. Now it would put water onto these steps, but you know what? They're already getting water. These steps have always been getting water, and they're going to continue to get water. I'm not going to bring it out that far. But so I asked myself, is there any reason to go that way? And I would say no, because what's the sense? There's no height there. There's concrete there. The only thing that makes sense is to go far enough that anything coming down there doesn't come back to the door. But I'd probably even it up. So since we have about a foot right here, I'd probably go about 1 foot there. And then I'm going to guide the water up there. I'd like to guide it over into there, you know, 4 foot past the door. And I could even gecko that edge so water can't come underneath. Okay, so that's my plan. I came up with it last night in bed, you know, half sleeping. And I'm super excited about that because then I could fix this door and it's going to stay. So I'd probably take it off its hinges, remove that board there, replace anything else underneath, and put a new board there. I think this board's okay. Just it lost the paint, but maybe some caulking right there. I think the rest of it's okay. It's really this right here, which is bad. Really bad. But I'm tired of fixing it and then having it get bad again, so I need to prevent it. So I can't think of any reason why not to do this. I have the lumber. We'll do a 2x4 roof, so I only need 2 supports because those 2 supports will add so much strength. Could even do double supports on each side. Maybe a short one that comes down to here and then a long one that comes into here. That might look cool. Yeah, we'll cook the camper edges on them. I think it could look sharp and be very functional and protect our door. Okay, so that's my idea. This is a project preview, but I am excited about it, so who knows, it might be starting pretty soon. I like these little projects to work in with some of my bigger projects, because this one is to me this is a small project. Doesn't require a lift, not much for ladders. You got to find the studs there, which I can do that because I re-nailed all these boards, so I basically know where the studs are. Go into them with some nice long barn nails or something. I got plenty of them. 2 or 3 into there and that'll spike that right in. Maybe put a 1x6 across there out of hemlock and then that'll be my nailer. Okay, cool idea. It's going to change the looks of it, but I think if we get it all painted up and nice, it'll blend right in. More design and function to the house. Exciting.